Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Think Investments. Today we have a special guest, Kevin O'Leary, who is a well-known entrepreneur, investor, and television personality. He is best known for his appearances on the popular television show Shark Tank, where he invests in promising startups. Kevin is also the chairman of O'Leary Funds and has a lot of experience in the world of investing. Today, Kevin is going to share with us why he loves dividend stocks and why he thinks they are a smart investment choice. So, without further ado, let's get started. Dividend stocks are particularly attractive to investors who are looking for a reliable source of income. This is because they offer a predictable stream of income in the form of regular dividend payments. Unlike growth stocks, which may not pay dividends, dividend stocks pay out a portion of their profits to their shareholders. This can be in the form of cash, stock, or other forms of payment. As a result, dividend stocks are generally considered to be a more stable investment choice as they offer a consistent source of income to the investor. In the next section, we will hear from Kevin about why he loves dividend stocks and why he thinks they are a smart investment choice. As an experienced investor, Kevin has invested in a variety of stocks over the years. However, he has a particular love for dividend stocks. According to him, dividend stocks are a smart investment choice for a number of reasons. Firstly, they offer a steady stream of income to the investor. This means that even if the stock price goes down, the investor is still receiving a regular income from the dividends. Secondly, dividend stocks are generally considered to be more stable than non-dividend paying stocks. This is because companies that pay dividends are often more established and have a history of steady earnings. Thirdly, dividend stocks offer a hedge against inflation. As the stock price and dividends increase over time, the investor's returns also increase, helping to keep up with inflation. Now that we've established why dividend stocks are a smart investment choice, let's talk about how to choose the right dividend stocks to invest in. According to Kevin, there are a few key factors to consider when choosing dividend stocks. Firstly, it is important to look at the company's financial health. This includes factors such as the company's revenue, earnings, and debt levels. A company with strong financials is more likely to be able to continue paying dividends to its shareholders. Secondly, it is important to look at the company's dividend history. A company with a consistent history of paying dividends is more likely to continue doing so in the future. Thirdly, it is important to look at the company's dividend yield. The dividend yield is calculated by dividing the annual dividend by the stock price. A higher dividend yield is generally considered to be more attractive, but it is important to also consider the company's financial health and dividend history. While dividend stocks may not offer the same level of growth potential as non-dividend paying stocks, they do offer a reliable source of income to investors. However, it is important to note that companies that pay dividends may be more focused on returning profits to shareholders rather than reinvesting in the business for growth. This can limit the company's ability to innovate and expand, which may impact its long-term growth potential. Additionally, dividend stocks may be more sensitive to interest rate changes, as higher interest rates can make dividend yields less attractive to investors. As with any investment, it is important to weigh the potential risks and rewards before making a decision, and to ensure that dividend stocks align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. It is also important to diversify your portfolio and not rely solely on dividend stocks for income. By diversifying your investments, you can spread your risk and potentially increase your overall returns. Thank you, Kevin, for sharing your insights on dividend stocks. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what dividend stocks are, why they are a smart investment choice, how to choose the right dividend stocks to invest in, and the risks associated with investing in dividend stocks. As always, do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more investment news and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.